Okay then, everyone. I'm here with your time and temperature. The temperature is about 25 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's oh so cold. Oh, how do we make it here? It's awful. It's just so cold. Oh my gosh. Well, it's cold for us. I know that you guys live up north, you know, that's not cold to you, but to here, for here, it's cold. So the time is time for a cold start. This Chrysler's been sitting in here for the better part of a month, almost a month now, and has not been ran. And so I checked the fluids and hooked the battery up, and that's all I've done. This puddle of water over here, not out of the exhaust, bone dry, so it's not been run or anything like that. So all I'm going to do is pump it a couple times and hope it's got enough gas in it. I think it does, and see what happens. No manual choke. If I'm going to talk the talk, I better walk the walk, huh? All right, let's do it. I think I made a windbreak for this camera, so I know I did. I just see if it works any better with the wind noise. Let's hope it does. Thanks for watching.